Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today for review I have Klein angle gauge. It comes with this nice case. It is simple case, but for transportation and keep safe your angle gauge it can be very useful. Inside we get Klein angle gauge model 935DAA. This is the latest model and it has quite nice features. I will show in this video. I have already used it for some time and I'm very happy with it, with precision and how it's easy to use. Just couple of thoughts before starting the review. If you are interested the size of it, you can see, just let me to put the ruler, about 7 centimeters long, thickness 25 millimeters, and the height is 45 millimeters, as you can see. On the back side we see that it uses two batteries, 3A, and some certification, dust and water resistant. As you can see, it is IP54, and you can find in user manual that it has drop protection up to 2 meters. It means if you drop it from, for example, 1.5 meters, it should be safe and it will not be damaged. Hope it is as mentioned in specification, because Klein is very renowned brand and I trust them. This one screw, when we unscrew it, we will open the back cover like this. You can see it is quite a thick plastic. Some soft parts to keep batteries on place, and as you can see, this black one is rubber for water and dust protection, as it mentioned, IP54. And one nice thing you can see, we have brass insert with thread, and screw goes not to plastic but into this brass thread place, and it will not be damaged if you change the batteries or tighten too much. So it is nice to see that. Nothing more interesting inside it. There are 4 screws to disassemble the whole angle gauge, but we will not do it because nothing interesting inside. We can see on the bottom part 2 magnets. They are quite strong, as well these 8 rubber inserts. These rubber inserts help to protect not only the angle gauge but maybe also your tools from scratches, because when it magnets to anything metal, that's rubbers like a damper, keeping on both sides it's safe. We do not have any magnets on under 3 sides, as you can see, but on the bottom part and on the top we can see this groove. It's specially made to use the angle gauge on pipes and other round things, so it can easily be used with that. The other, I think, interesting specification for this about the precision: when you measure from 0 to 1 degree and from 89 to 91 degree, the precision is 0.1 degree. In the other situations, the precision is 0.2 degree. I think it's much more than enough for woodworking and other similar works. If you need much more precision, you should go to other angle gauges, but I think most known ones have very similar specification. But this one has extra features about which I will tell you right now. Let's see what buttons we have on it. Plus, minus. You can see orange marks as well here, orange marks, and here again. All these for functions when we turn on this feature. But let's start from the beginning. This red button, as you can guess, is for turning on the angle gauge. First thing which we use quite often, we see that my table is not flat, but I want to, for example, check my torso bevel angle and I need to 45 degree. What can I do? Just one click, as you can see here written, one click to 0. Just one click and we can see here Z letter and it becomes 0. And green lights flashes. We have green lights on the front part, on the back, on the top here. It is not only green, I will tell the rest just a couple minutes later. So this is 0 degree. Then when we turn it, we can see reference is my table right now, Z letters when we see. We will get, for example, 90 degree. One interesting thing, here you can see 90 to 180 degree. And here is the logo of it. It means 180 degree. It means that when I turn one time, it's 90 degree. Second turn, I can see 180 degree. Again, here 90 and 0. But when I change it, I can put 90 degree. The logo here is changed to 90. One turn 90 degree, second turn 0, and again 90, 0. If you want to from 0 to 90, you should choose this option. If you want to from 0 to 80, you need to change it. You can see this edge letter here. If I press and keep this one, I will see, just a moment, I will see edge letter here and it keeps the value of the angle gauge, current value. If you want to save, to write down or something else, another one click and it will come to 0. If I press 3 seconds this red button, it will turn off, but it has option automatically turn off it. The other function which was very interesting, if I press and keep for 3 seconds this button 1, I will see here letters here 30 degree. As I can see from this indicator, 0, 10, 20, 2.5, 30, 45 and 90. If I press this button, I can go through each angle. If I need, for example, not 45 and 47, I can increase that. The step is 0.5 degree, for example, 47 degree. I can see indicators here is red. All indicators is red. It means that I'm very far from the set angle. Set angle is for right now for me is 47. When I turn it still red, but when I go to near 47, about 5 degrees from 47, from 42 to 52 degrees, the red light will change to orange one. Maybe on camera it is a little, no, you can see the orange. Then when I very near, about a couple of degrees, 47, from 46.7 to 47.3, it will flash green. It means that I came to the chosen angle here, for example 47. Even more, if I double click on this button in this mode, you can see here orange, 2 times mute. It will turn on sound. Just a second. You can see speaker here and it's starting to beeping. And with sound again I can understand how far from the set angle. You can see it with orange more intensively sounds, and when I very near 0. couple degrees to 47, the sound again changes. So you have not only light indication but also sound indication when you need to set very precise or needed angle to check something, and you can change, modify any tool to bevel angle, and with light indicator and sound indicator you will find out how near to set angle, and it is very useful feature in some scenarios which other angle gauges I do not see that they have. As well, it has calibration opportunities. It is very easy to do. You can read in instruction, or you are interested how you can do this calibration. I will show in another short video. Feel free to ask questions. Hope this video is useful for you, and please subscribe to my channel. It helps me to make more content for you. Thank you and have a nice day.